Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can speed up your Windows 10. I'm using a remote desktop for that, as I am currently using Windows 11. So first open your start menu and click on the search and search for power and sleep settings. Get into that, and from here you have additional power settings. Click on that. Here you have to just click on one thing, that is high performance. You might have some additional plans, very high or something. You always make sure click on the highest performance settings and click on change plan settings. You can turn off the display or not, it's your wish, but you have to go to change advanced power settings. In here for hard disks you have to make sure the settings is 0, and processor power management, if you have an option of maximum state or minimum state, you have to make sure that is 100%. For my processor I don't have that option. And after all this you have to just click on OK and save changes. So this is how you can make your Windows 10 PC 10 to 15% faster. So that's how you speed up Windows 10. And if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.